OpenAI unveiled Voice Engine, an extension of their text-to-speech API developed over 2 years. Voice Engine's generative AI model, already in use in ChatGPT and Spotify, undergoes rigorous training on diverse datasets. OpenAI emphasizes responsible usage with measures to prevent misuse. Voice Engine's unique synthesis process creates high-quality speech priced competitively at $15 per million characters. Voice Engine's limited release targets low-risk, socially beneficial use cases with strict guidelines to prevent abuse. OpenAI remains committed to advancing AI responsibility, ensuring technology serves humanity's best interest. If you have any questions, please contact us at sleonproductions.com.